शेर was a huge success.
Yes.
अब शेर में भी देखते हुए जब हम देख रहे थे तो we were like these two mothers characters
Yeah.
need to be flipped.
You're right. I take responsibility for that.
Okay.
Because when the script came to me, so Zanjabil spoke to me.
हाँ.
She said, मैं चाहती हूँ आप बड़ी माँ का करें, उसमें एक वो है, ये वो थोड़ा फर्क होगा आपके लिए. तो मैंने कहा चलें ठीक है, मैं I mean I said okay, I think हाँ सही है, थोड़ी सी वो है, different है थोड़ा सा. And so I then chose the first wife.
Right.
Whereas I feel yes, perhaps I should have done the second wife.
Yeah.
Because it made kind of more sense from multiple reasons. But having said that, Munazza did a very good job also with it, right? And as it progressed and we watched it and I watched it, I'm like, maybe, yes, should be, could be, wo wali game thi. But it's done and dusted and one has to move on, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
And Danish, I mean, it doesn't matter what you do, Danish will always pull in the billions.
That's true. That is true. He's got magic in his hands.
No, and he's got
niyat.
niyat.
The mind's touch.
Danish doesn't have just magic, he's got niyat. Danish is a very hardworking, very committed professional. और वो ना फिर आपको उस चीज का सिला भी मिलता है. He's very serious about what he does.
आपने काम 2-3 ड्रामा में किया दानिश के साथ. So tell us a little bit about it because
Danish.
Because
he's very sweet.
We see him on television, but because वो बात नहीं करते otherwise, तो हमें पता नहीं चलता कि उनका process क्या है, काम का, how professional is he on set.
Okay. No, Danish is a delight.
Only heard good things. Yeah.
In fact, जब भी कोई कहता है कि मैं ये play कर रहा हूँ उसमें दानिश में, you'll have a good time. Because he's very accommodating. He will also help his co-actors, and he's actually so जब आप उससे पहले मिलते हैं तो थोड़ा सा reserved है.
लगते हैं थोड़े unapproachable से.
हाँ, he is basically a very private person. लेकिन when he gets comfortable, like Fuad, by the way, Fuad is the same. Very private. Fuad is changed now.
Yeah.
I feel Fuad has now become a lot more, open and relaxed. But शुरू में भी उस ज़माने हमसफ़र के ज़माने में Fuad was also very reserved, very private person. And when you got to know him, only then did he let his guard down. Danish is the same. And both these guys are very, very hard-working professionals. And अगर आप serious अपने काम के बारे में, उनका एक बहुत आपके लिए respect होता है.
Yeah. That's good to know.
And Danish is very sweet.
लेकिन सिर्फ as an actor थोड़ा unapproachable से लगते हैं.
But you see, that's his choice.
सही है.
He just wants, वो चाहता है कि मैं अपना काम करूँ, मेरे काम पे आप जज करें. वो नहीं चाहता कि अपनी personal life खोले. वो उसका choice है. He has a right to his own choices.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's fine.
It's only people like myself who come out there and get into the hot seat.
And then sometimes in hot water as
well.
Oh,
all the time, Amna, all my life. Yes.
Did you expect yourself to get in hot water after this whole Fahad Mustafa scene?
No, I just felt it was very blown out of proportion, really. मुझे तो मैं हैरान हो गई. मैंने कहा यार यहाँ पे इतने बड़े बड़े मसले मसाइल हैं और वो इतने वायरल नहीं होते जितना वायरल ये इशू हो गया.
ये आपको पता है कि ऐसी बातें ही वायरल होती हैं.
But so sad. I mean,
दानिश के बारे में भी आपने कहा था you want to be star with him like as
no. So I always tease.
What happened? I forget.
I always tease. Even Fuad. I'm like, why am I playing mummy to all these handsome boys? I've always एक वो किसी ने एक भेजा था 2 years ago एक पूरा poster, all the good-looking men and me as the mummy. I'm like, why am I playing mummy to all these good-looking boys? I mean, how sad.
You played Bilal Abbas's mother.
Everybody, all good-looking boys. मैंने सारे हसीन जितने भी हमारे boys हैं ना उनकी मैं माँ play कर चुकी हूँ.
तो Fahad Bala was blown out of proportion, लेकिन ऐसा ही होता है.
Oh yes, but I'm very surprised and I was very actually worried for him because he's again a very self-made, hard-working person. And he got a lot of negativity. मुझे बुरा लगा. That's why I sent out my statement. Because देखिए आप एक सेकंड में ना किसी को ऐसे उड़ा नहीं सकते. ठीक है किसी से अगर गलत बात हो गई या गलती हो गई, but you can't, you're playing with somebody's career like this, right? So I was quite worried.
But who was playing with whose career?
People attacking him, I think. You can't. You see, when you start to attack a celebrity on that level, I mean, I was getting support, fine. But when I look at it from his perspective, and when you're attacking a celebrity on that level, you could be damaging his career, all the hard work he's done over the years. And I didn't like it. I really didn't.
Yeah. ये तो है.
So then I wrote a statement. Some people said आपने क्यों किया?
नहीं अच्छा किया.
तो मैंने कहा क्यों नहीं यार? I mean, I thought it was just unjustified the amount of attack he came.
मुझे लगा उनका भी knee jerk reaction था, थोड़ा measured नहीं था. लेकिन ठीक है, हो
जाता है. उसने मजाक में किया होगा या उसने मस्ती में किया होगा. उसको बहुत उसको एक repercussion आई.
And we know how hard he works, and
he's self-made.
Absolutely,
he's a completely self-made boy.
And he's a big actor and star as well. I mean.
Yeah.
we
No,
take pride in
absolutely.
Fahad Mustafa,
Yeah.
absolutely.
No, listen, मैं as far as I'm concerned, अच्छा एक मेरा मसला है ना, मेरा मसला है, मैं अब इस इंडस्ट्री में इतने अरसे रह चुकी हूँ कि मैं सबको ना, I look at them as family. Sometimes I need to like I'll speak about somebody, say यार ये, I'm like, oh God, I shouldn't have said this because that's my friend, but not on public, you know. Public takes it as two celebrities talking, you know. So हमारा भी एक and I wrote in my statement that, you know, social media is a totally new animal. It's we need to, हमने अब बहुत सोच समझ के बात करनी होती है कि यार आगे लोग क्या इसको क्या उछालेंगे इससे ना इसमें से.
So when it comes to क्या ड्रामा है and the show, do you ever feel that you get backlash for your comments?
Yes, बहुत. कमेंट्स में भी आता है, हमारे कम्युनिटी से भी आता है.
कम्युनिटीज की बात करें, कमेंट तो हम पढ़ लेते हैं, लेकिन कम्युनिटी से कभी कोई सीरियस कोई
नहीं, सीरियस नहीं, आई थिंक सीरियस नहीं, बिकॉज हमारा ये था कि आई थिंक इस स्टेज पे हैं हम लोग where we can, एक तो देखें, you're in a public forum, I'm acting, you can judge me because I'm acting for you. तो अगर आपने कोई काम पब्लिक के लिए बनाया है तो फिर आपको पब्लिक ओपिनियन को हजम करना होगा. हम भी एक व्यूअर है ना, आई एम ऑल्सो व्यूअर, मेरी भी एक ओपिनियन है. तो इतना तो मजल ना करें ना कि बिल्कुल ही हम सोचें यार कि हम काम, अगर कोई चीज़ सही नहीं लग रही, जैसे आप नीली कोठी की बात कर रही हैं, I'm not taking it personally. It is an opinion you have and you have a right to that opinion, you know. I think yes, I had great expectations. I'm happy with the fact that it's done okay, you know, and people liked it. But, you know, some people perhaps didn't like it, and it's their choice, yaar. It's, you put it out there for people to have an opinion, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Same thing with क्या ड्रामा है. ऐसे shows, मुझे पता है शुरू में लोगों को प्रॉब्लम थी कि एक्टर्स बैठ के कैसे बात कर रहे हैं, तो मैं कहा यार प्रॉब्लम ये है कि बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग बैठे हुए हैं जो इस काम को समझते भी नहीं हैं. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग बैठे हुए हैं जिन्होंने कभी सेट पे कदम भी नहीं रखा हुआ. दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द बिहाइंड द सीन प्रेशर, द इशूज, दे डोंट नो हाउ अ स्क्रिप्ट इज डाइसेक्टेड. तो एक आई थिंक बैलेंस के लिए एक ऐसा शो होना चाहिए जहाँ पे स्टेक होल्डर्स भी बैठ जाएं.
अच्छा, मैंने हमेशा ये बोला, मुझे अभी भी ऐसा ही लगता है कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है, स्पेशली व्हेन देयर आर वर्किंग एक्टर्स.
हो सकता है,
एंड आई फील दैट ना भी हो तो परसेप्शन होती है. मुझे, मैं हसन से भी ये कहती हूँ, परसेप्शन होती है. मुझे लगता है कि जो रिटायर्ड एक्टर्स हैं, डेफिनेटली
रिटायर तो कोई नहीं होता.
रिटायर नहीं,
कौन होगा रिटायर? आप मुझे बताएं, कभी नहीं होगा. हम क्यों रिटायर?
Somebody who's gone into teaching, for example, like Zia Mohyuddin or somebody of that caliber, who's got the training, who's done the work, who's teaching now, वो बैठ के अगर करें तो सुने बैठ के आपसे और संजीदगी से सुने. पर अगर आपका प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है टीवी पे, मुझे मेरी ओपिनियन थी.
But listen, you and I are now on both opposite sides. So this is democracy. This is where जमहूरियत की हम जब बात करते हैं कि you have your perspective, I have mine. I think यार everybody else has an opinion on what our guys are doing. How come our stakeholders are not? So I have that opinion. You know? So it works in all ways. I think basically हमारे एक evolution वाली एक, you know, process है. We are kind of देखें, एक तो ये कि इतना बड़ा बूम आया, तैयारी हमारी बिल्कुल नहीं थी, ना हमारे पास इतना टैलेंट था, ना टेक्नीशियंस थे, ना इक्विपमेंट था, ना आज दिन तक स्टूडियोज ठीक से नहीं बने हमारे.
You talk about the channel boom.
Everything like content related. आप इनफैक्ट मैं अभी सुल्तानापा से मिलने गई थी, उनके ब्रदर पास्ट अवे, सो आई वेंट टू कंडोल. मैं कहा सुल्तानापा कुछ सिंधी में बना दें. आई सेड अब क्या हो गया कि हमने